Welcome to Decor Design YouTube channel. Do-it-yourself furniture projects allow homeowners to personalize their decor while saving money and creating unique custom pieces from repurposing old wood into rustic office tables to building sleek modern shelving units. Do-it-yourself furniture can fit any style or space. These projects only add charm and character to your home, but also a sense of accomplishment. Whether you're a seasoned dyer or a beginner looking for easy projects, these are plenty of ideas to explore. Discover how you can transform everyday materials into stunning furniture pieces that enhance your home decor, making it truly one of a kind. These designs can also be tailored to your specific needs, ensuring they are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. By adding personal touches, you can create furniture that perfectly match your vision for your home. Thanks for watching. Must pause, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.